Hey everyone, welcome to the opening of the Yu-Gi-Oh! Premium Gold Infinite Gold package or box. I did the Premium Gold one before, I just don't know where I put it. But this is the Infinite Gold one. So let's see what is in here. Right there. See what's in here. I know I have the Premium Gold one somewhere, I just gotta find it. So let's see what is offered in here, shall we? You can even pull it out. Oh, of course. It's that way again. I forgot about that. Of course, it's like this. So we have 3 packs, just like the last one. 3 packs here. And again, I know the other one's around here somewhere. I just gotta find it. So let's see what the first one is. Like I said, it's 5 packs of cards. See what we have. Ooh, what's this? Red Eyes Flare Metal Dragon. Wow. How about that? Red Eyes Flare Metal Dragon, 28 attack points, 24 defense points. Add that to my Red Eyes collection. We have Cosmos Lip Rider. It's interesting. We have the Monarchs Stormforth. Yeah, the Monarchs Stormforth. How about that? We have Junk Changer. Pretty cool. And we have Gigan Malevolence of the Burning Abyss. The new one on me, but the Metal Dragon one definitely I like because I can add that to my deck. Maybe. Red Eyes, Flare, Metal Dragon. I mean, I have a couple of Red Eyes, I know that. Next pack. We have another Red Eyes Flame Metal Dragon. That's 2. We have a Cosmo Farm Girl. We have Radiant Mirror Force. We have number 84 Pain Gainer. And another Gigan. I think that's one thing Konami needs to work on. Stop putting repeats in the packs. Third and last one. Oh, it's a little bit different here. We have Luster, Pendulum, the Drago Slayer. Is that a new one? We have the Horn of Heaven. We have Dark Mirror Force. We have Angomaro, the Fiendish Monarch. And we have the Fire Lake of the Burning Abyss. Something tells me this has got a certain theme to it. So, yeah, that is the Premium Gold Infinite Gold package or set. So let me know what you guys think down below if you've gotten this. What card do you think is probably good out of this? If I can get them back into the pack. Onto the box, I should say. Here we go. So let me know what you guys think is the best ones out of here. Comment below. And I will talk to you all next time.